In this video, we will show you how to use B-Maps for motion detection alerts on a single device, which is configured as a standalone, not connected with B-Maps group. To install B-Maps in the single device mode without email, please watch our video number 2.1. B-Maps is using cameras on your device to detect movement. After detection, it verbally notifies you on your device speaker, and the photo and video data from this detection event are stored on your device. For best detection results, please place your phone on a stable stand. This feature might be useful when you sleep in a hotel or at home, and you want to be alerted when an unannounced person walks in. Second useful situation is when you want to make sure nobody unannounced visited your room while you have been away. In B-Maps, you will be able to view this type of incidents, unless that visitor takes your phone. But for this type of incidents, please watch our other video 6.2, in which we explain how to connect multiple devices together, and the motion detection photos and videos will be transferred between your devices remotely. So you will get them on your main device anyway. With a single device setup, you can use your phone or tablet in following ways. As a motion detection alarm. As a dashcam in your car. Add visit alerts on your map, and B-Maps will remind you to visit the shop when you drive near it. You can also track your past locations, activities, alerts, and notes. Now, let's see how to use the motion detection. To turn it on, go to Capture Mode menu on our map. Choose Monitoring. Please note, for motion detection monitoring to work, this screen must be always on. It is required for transparency of use of B-Maps monitoring mode. Please keep this screen on and do not lock your phone. Also keep this device connected to a charger because motion detection uses up battery faster. Here by tapping on the text, you can choose the camera on which the motion detection will work. You can choose front camera, back camera, or both cameras. Before starting monitoring, please preview what the camera can see. Please note, the motion detection is captured continuously and movement comparison is checked, each 2 seconds for a single camera and each 4 seconds for both cameras. In motion detection options, you can choose to save the motion detection data on this device and to be notified on speaker. You do not have to select both, but at least one of these needs to be selected for motion detection to work. Now let's start the motion sensor. It will start working in around 2 minutes. To not trigger instantly while you are still in the detection range. When the sensor is started, you will see the B-Maps logo turning on the screen, and the capture mode sign in the middle is changed to red. Sometimes the device might get too hot, for example when it is fast charging or exposed to the sunlight. In that case, we stop the motion detection and show the red high temperature sign. The detection will resume once the device cools down. This is how B-Maps will inform you on your phone or tablet speaker about the detected movement.
Sam, movement detected.
To go back to the full view of the monitoring screen, tap 3 times on the red capture sign. Please note, B-Maps motion detection is designed for an inside room use. To avoid false triggers, please do not point camera to outside movement, because movement behind a window, or its reflection in the mirror, or moving curtains can trigger the alert. In this setup, when movement is detected, B-Maps will inform you on speaker and save the photos and 30 seconds video recording from the event. After the movement detection event, B-Maps is pausing the detection mode for around 5 minutes, and next it will resume. Before closing this screen, you have to turn off the movement detection. On the map, you can see the photos from the events and the recorded videos. Please make sure you are on the proper time frame, for example, all day. Tap on the photo to show the tag, and next tap and hold on the tag for 2 seconds to open the picture. Tap on the video to show the tag, and next tap and hold on the tag for 2 seconds to see the video. We hope that B-Maps will help you to increase your and your close one's safety. In the single device setup, you will be able to use motion detection, dashcam, visit proximity, location history, activities, alerts, and notes. Please check our other videos for details. Thank you for watching.